In this lesson, we will understand what is MCP and the problem it solves. With that, we will also see a quick example. So let us start. Model Context Protocol was developed by Anthropic, the company behind Claude. It is an open standard that enables AI assistants to securely connect with external data sources, tools and services through a unified interface. Designed as a universal connector, MCP goes far beyond simple data retrieval. Its applications span business operations, software development and specialized industries, making it a powerful foundation for integrating AI into diverse workflows. Think of MCP as the USB for AI. Just as USB provides a standardized way to connect peripherals to computers, MCP offers a standardized way to connect data sources to AI models, ensuring compatibility, security and scalability. Now let us see what is the problem MCP solves. AI assistants before MCP such as Cursor were powerful but constrained by several critical gaps. That is, fragmented knowledge, bound to static training data with cutoff dates, unable to evolve with new information. No real-time access, disconnected from live data sources, leaving users without up-to-date insights. Cumbersome context handling. Users had to manually copy and paste information to provide context, slowing workflows. Last one, lack of standardization. Each AI tool relied on custom one-off integrations, creating silos instead of interoperability. In this tutorial, we will use MCP with Cursor AI, using Firecrawl MCP for the web scraping use case. Now let us see a basic example before moving towards other lessons as well as our coding example in the end using Cursor AI. So this image displays before MCP as well as after MCP. This illustrates how the Firecrawl API enhances the capabilities of an AI assistant by automating web data extraction. Here's a breakdown and its meaning. So before MCP, the AI assistant is unable to fetch data from a website. The user has to manually visit the site, copy the content and paste it back into the conversation. But after MCP, the AI assistant uses MCP to connect with Firecrawl. Firecrawl crawls the website and returns structured data automatically. The assistant can now deliver the scrapped content without manual effort from the user. So above we have shown Firecrawl, which is an API service that takes a URL, crawls it and converts it into clean markdown or structured data. Firecrawl simplifies web scraping by turning raw website content into usable formats like markdown or structured data, example JSON. This makes it easier for AI tools to understand and work with web content. So in this lesson we saw what is MCP, the problem it solves and a basic example.